Hi, Mohammed here from Lil Helper, and yesterday we were cleaning the warehouse and I came across our old diapers, the first run of our charcoal diapers, and it just got me thinking how much our product has evolved in the 8-9 years we've been in business, and why as a customer you should be happy knowing that we are actually evolving. Hopefully for the better, and I'm just going to show you quickly. I don't even know if anybody has seen these old diapers, like a bamboo jersey material with a PUL lining on the inside or a charcoal lining over here. Everything is so different. These labels we had sourced from India, these were made in China, and oh my god, these would fade away. The product was not that great, admittedly so. I think 10 years from now, when we look at our current product, we'll say the same thing. And it was the best that we knew at that point of time. We got a lot of feedback, what works, what doesn't work, and we changed the product and we made, this was our charcoal diaper. This was designed by Sophia. This had the charcoal lining on the inside. Much better product than the last one. To what we have right now, and even this, there are changes that we made recently. We call it the high rise, which is the new rise, an inch longer than the older ones. We are just lucky as a company to have customers who are so engaged. We say that these products are designed by aerospace engineers, like me and Ada and I are both aerospace engineers. But really, actually, they're designed by parents like you. You give us the feedback, what you like, what you don't like, and we double down on the things you like and we try and improve the things that you don't like. And it is an ever-going process. There's no perfect product, really. If there was a perfect product, then that's it. Like, people would just, you know what, make something and that's it, go to sleep. Things are evolving. We can make it better. Say the Alpha 1 on it. This is Alpha 2. These are our batch numbers. Each batch number, we try and do these small changes to it, and most of the things are not even noticeable to you. Just something like this, okay? So our first batch of wet dry bags, this was the label. It looked cheap. I didn't like the quality of it. I didn't like how the corners were not rounded. There was a change that we thought that, you know what, we could make it a better quality. The label stays, and then we rounded the corners, we got it a better quality. It changes the way people perceive it, especially if you're giving it as a gift. Again, small things, baby steps. The problem that gave us the most trouble was our bamboo insert. This was our old cotton insert that we discontinued. It would shrink a lot and just go get all misshapen. This was a better bamboo insert, but even this would sometimes lose shape, and so we did a crisscross bamboo insert. Do you guys remember this? This was a pretty good one. Till we came up with the current bamboo insert, which you all see right now. Our current bamboo insert is like centuries ahead of what we had before. Again, we don't have any stakeholders in the company except you, our customers. We want to make sure that we can serve you in the best way possible. Our first wet bag was this one, and it was a disaster. The material that I chose was not the best. But even during the shipping of the product, these layers would stick and tear easily. This product was a crappy product, admittedly so. But then we learned from our mistakes. So we changed the size, we changed the materials. This is our current large wet bag. People love it. It's a great product. Just recently now, our Mermaid Print, our workshop enlarged the print. Happy accident. You can appreciate the details over here, but a lot of things got cut off. We did a boo-boo, and now we fixed it, and now this is the print. This is how we ended up making it at the end. A little less magnified so you can appreciate the whole picture. But again, we are not a company that will say, oh, we never make mistakes. Oh, if somebody's saying that to you, they're lying to you, because everybody makes mistakes. We do make a lot of mistakes, but at least we are constantly trying to make ourselves better. These are our breast pads that we introduced. People love them, but a lot of moms came back to us saying that moms who are large chested, who needed more coverage, or who had who produce a ton more milk than most people, they needed more coverage, they needed more absorption, and we basically came out with a larger breast pad that's going to be released in the next couple of months. Oh my god, this is going on for a long time. This was our original bamboo stay dry liner. These were not sewn edges, right? Good product, worked well, but the problem was with time, these edges would start frailing, and you would see strings coming out of here and things like that. So we took this product and we started putting a stitch on it, changed the shape a little bit. Same product, small differences, makes it better. We did this thanks to you guys. I have tons more things to show, but I think I'm running out of time. This is one of the complaints I have against these larger disposable diaper companies. They do not change as much because they have a beast that they have to feed. The only beast that needs fed over here is actually me. have no loans, we have no partners, we have nobody that we have to appease except our customers, that is you. So we do right by you, and you tell people, other people. That's how we have even survived this long. So thank you for being there, allowing us to grow, allowing us to make mistakes. And I hope that in the next 2 years, I'll make another video and tell you about all the other changes that we've made to our products. I think I'm done over here. Thank you. Have a fantastic new year ahead of you, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.